nasty, bougie, ratchet. TikTokers be like, rain again, rain again, rain again. I want to be a TikToker so bad, but can I just be a TikToker too? A YouTuber and a TikToker? Is it impossible to be both? Is it? Is it? Is it?
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I know it has been a while since I've made a video. It's been 3 weeks now, 3 long weeks, and trust me, 3 weeks feels like 3 months or more. Feel like a very long time. And I never thought of the day that I would feel like or felt the way I felt during that 3 weeks, because I was so consistent on uploading. The longest I went without uploading a video would be a week, and I was so consistent on uploading and stuff like that. But honestly guys, I don't want to really come on here and be all depressed and all of that, but to be honest, I was not feeling it anymore. I am just being honest. I felt like my channel, all the hard work that I've been trying to put in my channel I felt like it was being overlooked, and I didn't really feel motivated to do any videos or anything, and I just felt like blah, it's whatever, you know. It's just that feeling. I don't really want to get too deep into it right now, but that's the feeling I was getting. And then like week 2, that's when I started getting messages on Instagram and stuff like that, like, what happened to the video them? Oh, I'm not seeing a video. What's up with the videos? No uploads, what's going on? And you know, just to see that, it made me feel a little better, knowing that people noticed that I wasn't uploading and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, maybe people do pay attention to my channel. And I was like, all right. After week 2, that's when I started thinking about it, thinking deep into it, like, you know what, I really do enjoy making these videos, editing, uploading. Sometimes I'm editing, I'm just laughing at myself, you know. It's just a good feeling what I do when I do these videos and upload and stuff like that. I really enjoy doing this. I really love doing this. And another thing, I really do love the support that I'm getting so far on my channel. I appreciate it 100%. Don't think I don't see you guys. I don't see the support. I see it, and I really appreciate it. And for the people who have reached out to me asking me want to the video them, I'm not see the video them, I'm back babies. But honestly, that's how I was feeling. At one point I wanted to do like a live and talk about it, and then I was like, you know what, let me just my down. But I'm back, and as you can see, I have like a couple twists in my hair. As you can see by the title, you already know what time it is. It's that big 1-year anniversary for my big chop. So a year ago today, on March 22nd, yes, that's when I did my big chop, and your girl is excited. It's so by the way, this is how I've been wearing my hair to work. And then with all this everything that's been going on now in the world, the virus and everything, it's just like, all right, let me just keep it at a limit and just do what I have to do out here in these streets, you know. And I hope y'all are out there taking all the precautions y'all need to take, and also staying safe. So yeah, Anyways, I got off track, but yeah, it's 1 year later. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing the twisting and trimming method, which my hair is already twist. So all I gotta do is trim. I'm gonna be trimming the ends because it's been... Hello? I honestly don't remember the last thing that was said before my phone started to ring. But like I said, my hair is already in twist, and I remember I was telling you guys to stay safe out there. And also I was saying I was gonna do the twisting and trimming method, meaning I'm gonna it's already in a twist. I'm gonna trim the ends. The last trim I did was in September. It was September 22nd. Like, so what I keep doing is like every 6 months I just give my hair a little trim. The shrinkage is real, that's all I can say, but when I do that stretch I can see the growth. Like when I did the trim the last time, when I watched the video 6 months ago, it was right here on my lips. Now it's like, so I see the growth. It's just that the shrinkage is real. So for the trimming, I'm gonna be using a shear. This is the shear that I use for my big chop, and this is the same shear that I use. Oh gosh, I'm just swinging this everywhere. This is the same shear that I used when I did the twisting and trimming method in September 6 months ago. So this is gonna be my 3rd time using this shear. I keep it in a Ziploc bag just away from all my other scissors. I soon need a new scissors though. So I'm gonna be using, I don't have much, just a little bit I have leave. I'm gonna be using the Jamaican black castor oil just to put on the ends of my hair when I'm trimming the ends. You know, I'm gonna find one picture of this put up. So I'm gonna be doing my hair in sections, 2 sections, just like how I did it the last time. I honestly can't believe it's a year since I did my big chop. Gosh, you guys need to go back and watch that video because I was a hot mess. I'm gonna leave the video link down below so you could go check out that video, that big chop video, because your girl wasn't having it in the first half, and then it got better. Listen, if you want to big chop, don't be scared, because trust me, my hair, it's at its best right now. I mean, it's dry now because it's been like this for how long now, but it's been like this only for a week. Stop exaggerating. But my hair, I love my hair and I love the growth. It's just the shrinkage. When I wash and twist it, it shrink up, but I love the growth. Love how it's a GWAAN, and I can't even complain. Alright, so like I said, it's just I'm just gonna be trimming the ends, basically dusting it, not too much, you know, just the ends that looks thin. Once you hold the hair and slide your fingers down, then you'll feel that thin area. That's when you know you need a trim. Only trim if necessary. Don't just jump up and just trim because a 3 months or so. Trim if you see like split ends and stuff like that. That's when you really trim. And don't cut off too much of your ear because you want to see that growth. And if you have split ends and don't trim those split ends away, it's just going to split all the way up to the hair shaft, and then your hair is gonna break. So it's either you trim it or you just have breakage. And some people don't like to trim because they don't want to lose length, but it's health over length. That's my advice to you. So let's begin. You can see I'm just gonna be cutting right here, just a tad bit. Like even right now I'm just running my fingers down the little ends right here, and I could feel like the single strands knots, and I don't know what I feel, but you feel rough and it just won't come off. See? And then when you see it going all different directions, the ends of your hair, yeah, that needs to go. Alright, so the ones that I already did, I'm just gonna put it in a, just put it away, and I'm just gonna keep going. So now I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the next section. So I have a more detailed video on how I do this twisting and trimming on my channel. I'm gonna leave the link down below, since I did this same exact thing that I'm doing right now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box so you could see the full detail and so forth, because this is the same exact thing that I'm doing right now in this video. That's what I did in the last video, but it was more detailed. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing for this section. Alright, so I just got done with the trimming method, and this is what I trimmed from my ends. Not much. So now I'm gonna be unraveling my twists for that bomb twist out. And I don't have a certain technique that I do to unravel my twist. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep going. My ends feel so much better. Like, it not feel rough. It not that all over the place. It just, my hair is just so healthy. One thing I can say, my hair healthy. My ear healthy. Bottom. I just come on here to share my technique on how I care for my hair, and hopefully you guys appreciate it. And I know you guys appreciate it. I know you guys do. Bomb twist out, never fails. Never fails. Can you believe this whole time I'm recording the phone, the camera is off? I'm here showing y'all another successful twist out. This whole time you was off and I'm recording. Thank God I didn't do that little doopty style that I was about to do with the camera off. Huh? How you just gonna play me like that? Huh? How you just gonna play me like that? Let's talk about fullness and growth of your girl's hair. I'm just gonna be doing a little. I've been doing less baby hair these days. I don't know why. It's not on purpose, but I think it's for the best. Even though nothing is wrong with my edges. Nope. Ain't nothing wrong with your girl's edges. But I just feel like sometimes a break is needed, you know, from doing the edges so much. So I'm just gonna be attempting to do like a little, my usual style that I do when I have like a twist out. Let's give it a little wrap on the sides. I'm gonna be using my little gold pins. Not gonna really show it up in the camera, the pin them, because they're kind of changing color. You know how it goes when you have them after a while. Nasty, bougie, ratchet. TikTokers be like, rain again, rain again, rain again. I want to be a TikToker so bad, but I just can't do the TikTok dances. Give me some Jamaican dance to do, and I definitely can, but the TikTok dance them, I just can't. I just can't master those. Or I've never really tried them, like really try them, but I just feel like I can't do it. You see? So this is the end of this video, my Chopiversary. That's what they call it, Chopiversary, 1 year anniversary big chop. Listen, it's coming along. It's coming along. All right, let's do some checks to see. I should straighten my hair. I don't know, but yeah, your girl hair is coming along. For me, health over length, but I ain't mad when I see a little length. It's coming along. After that 1 year, I'm gonna be having pictures right here showing you when I first did my big chop. I had on this same dress. Boobs length. Come on, let's talk. We at boobs length now and stuff like that. That's what we're doing out here. Boobs length and all these things. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna have a separate video giving you tips on how I grow my hair over the year, so look out for that video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post videos. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that like button, make that thumbs up blue, make it blue. Please, my beg, gonna just like up the video, and comment 1 time, comment 2 times, comment any amount of time, 3, 4, 5 times. You can comment as much as you want. I will reply to all of them. I never leave out a comment. I comment to every single comments I get under my videos. I love to see them. I love to communicate with you guys in my comment section. Just comment, ask up a question, anything. Just the like button, mash it up, bruise it up, just, yeah. And please subscribe, click that subscribe button, please click it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for everything, and stay tuned for the next upload. Bye.